Dear students, it's my pleasure to welcome you to the School of Public Affairs of Sciences Po. If you are passionate about the common good, if you want to have a deep understanding of humanity's grandest challenges, and if you want to find innovative and responsible solutions to these challenges, the School of Public Affairs is your school. You will discover all dimensions of public affairs with both a local, national, European, and international perspective. And you will be trained in a multidisciplinary perspective with a plurality of knowledge and professional skills thanks to our really rich, innovative pedagogy. The School of Public Affairs offers a large variety of programs adapted to each professional background. For those of you who are pre-experienced students coming from universities, but also from engineering school, medical schools, or business schools, you can have access to two master programs of 2 years, the Master in Public Policy and the Master in European Affairs. These two masters offers 11 different policy streams, providing fields of specialization such as digital, public administration, defense, environment, or politics, culture, global health. And you can also have access to dual degrees with all the best national and international schools. For young professionals, we also offer 2 one-year masters. And for those of you who want to be prepared to top high civil servant positions, you can have access to our competitive exam preparation to all top high civil positions, both in France and Europe. The School of Public Affairs provides a unique multidisciplinary training with more than 400 courses offered a year, taught both in English and in French. We bridge the gap between theory and practice with the best academics and the best practitioners. We also offer, with the School of Public Affairs, a unique student life with an environment of more than 2,000 students, with one-third of those coming from abroad and 60 different nationalities. The School of Public Affairs also offers a large variety of careers, both in the public sector, in the private sector, or in international organizations and non-governmental organizations. Let me detail each program. Let's start first with the 2-year master degree for pre-experienced students. You can choose between the Master in Public Policy and the Master in European Affairs, and between 11 different policy streams. The two masters, the Master in Public Policy and the Master in European Affairs, provide 5 core courses. For instance, in the Master in Public Policy, you will follow a module in public economics, in governance, democracy, and public policy, in policy analysis and evaluation, or in accounting for public policy, core courses in public management, public innovation, and negotiation, and finally, courses on case studies with practical professional skills applied to a real policy implemented in the public or in the private sectors. In the Master in European Affairs, you will follow exactly the same 5 core courses, but with a flavor that will be more centered on European issues. For instance, in law and economics, the courses will be devoted to European law or economics of European integration. And in the module governance, democracy, and public policy, you will have access to different courses on European integration, geopolitics of the EU, or politics, ideas, and discourse. In addition to these core courses attached to each master, you will have the choice between 11 different policy streams. So you can specialize by choosing one policy stream, whatever the master you are enrolled in the Master Public Policy or in the Master in European Affairs. You will have the choice between the different policy streams in administration publique, sécurité et défense, culture or cultural policy and management, santé or global health, in digital, new technology and public policy, economics and public policy, energy, environment and sustainability, Europe in the world, management and public affairs, politics and public policy, and social policy and social innovation. Each policy stream is taught either in French, in English, or both. Each policy stream also provides 6 specific courses of specialization. For instance, if you take Administration Publique, you will follow courses on political economy and public economics, in public law, in international or European affairs, and cultural affairs. Now, in addition to these core courses attached to your master, and then the 6 courses associated to your field of specialization, you will have access to a large variety of elective courses that you can choose among more than 100 courses taught each semester. And this elective will be an opportunity for you either to deepen your knowledge, your theoretical or political knowledge in a given field, or it will be the opportunity for you to have a broad perspective on different areas of public affairs. At the end of your master, during the last semester of your master, you will be able to deepen your professional path with individual learning paths, either by choosing an internship semester, an academic exchange semester, or a master's thesis, or you can also work on a personal project. The School of Public Affairs provides you professional skills, really deepen your ability to solve crucial public policy issues using creative and collaborative problem-solving methodology. And for this, we have developed different modules that you will follow during your master. You will first work on case studies to explore real cases with their stakeholders to understand how to put theory into practice. For instance, this year, among the 40 different case studies, students have worked on how to manage an energy crisis, a health crisis, or how to work on the digitalization of public services. In the simulation modules, you will be trained to negotiate and take decisions in complex environments. For instance, this year, some students have worked on the negotiation of the Paris climate change negotiations. You will also have the possibility to work in the public policy incubator, where you will design concrete solutions to tackle major public policy challenges with strong social impact. For instance, this year, students have worked on the elaboration and the design of a concrete solution on all territories to have access to the public services online. Finally, during your master, you can also have access to a large variety of dual degrees. First, you can follow a dual degree with our partners at the International. We have a global public policy network with all the most well-known School of Public Affairs in the world, like SIPA Columbia in New York, RT School in Berlin, the London School of Economics, GRASP in Tokyo, Lee Kuan Yew in Singapore, or the Monk School in Toronto, Fudan in China. You can also choose a dual degree with a national partner universities like HEC, École du Louvre, Supaéro, AgroParisTech, or l'École Saint-Cyr. For those of you who want to become top civil servants, you can have access during the second year of your master or after your graduation to our competitive exam preparation. This competitive exam preparation provides you a specific training to 12 different top civil exams, such as l'ENA, l'INET, or DGSE, but also to our European competitive exam. It should be stressed that this is a preparation of excellence. More than 70% of those who have been admitted in those different exams come from our School of Public Affairs and Sciences Po. For young professionals with at least 5 years of experience, we propose 2 different one-year masters. The Master in Public Affairs, MPA, which is eligible to a dual degree with HEC MBA, or the Master in Political Arts, the Master SPIP. Those 2 one-year masters gather all the different pedagogical features of the pre-experienced master, but in 1 year and with a more focused intake on professional and practical skills. It should be stressed that the School of Public Affairs offers also a unique life experience with a lot of social life and events. For instance, we propose a large number of master classes animated by different actors of the private sectors, of the cultural sectors, with also researchers like Nobel Prizes or global leaders in international organizations or non-governmental organizations. For instance, this year, the student can follow master classes on the COVID-19 crisis, on science and society, on culture, on digital governance, or on the future of democracy. Finally, the School of Public Affairs proposes a large variety of careers, both in the public sector, in the private sector, or in international organizations and non-governmental organizations. It should be stressed that 50% of our graduated students enter the private sector. So the School of Public Affairs prepares you to all different job opportunities that are related to public affairs. And as you can see, there's a large diversity of sectors, both in public administration, but also in audit and consulting, in culture, in industry, transport, energy transition, banking, finance, education, think tank, or international organization and NGOs. We propose you during your entire studies a specific career guidance with professional paths, with more than 1,000 internship, apprenticeships, and employment opportunities for our students each year. And we provide more than 100 careers events for our students every year, such as weekly career breakfast or career advisors. And it should be stressed that the job perspectives are excellent. 45% of our students are employed before graduation. As a conclusion, on behalf of Sciences Po and on behalf of the School of Public Affairs, I want to stress that we are open to all talents. Our selection criteria will be based not only on academic excellence, but also on experience and motivation. So feel free to apply to the School of Public Affairs, and I'm looking forward to meet you at Sciences Po next year.
Sciences Po.